You laugh, you hurt yourself, you go to the hospital, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
To make a move to a town that's right for me.
Well, I guess you can say she got the shitties.
There, he's right there, bro. Just get him. He's going in your house. Bro, that looks a lot like our house. What?
Oh my god!
Please don't call me fat. I prefer the term.
Maybe eating it will work.